Hello, it's me, Lulu. Thanks for joining me again for another exciting story just for you. So let's begin. Join me as I dive into the history of the Berlin Wall and see if I can summarize its fall in just a few minutes. The Berlin Wall is one of the most significant events in modern history, and it's essential for kids to learn about this important period in history. The wall was a physical barrier that divided a city, but it also represented a deeper division between people, their ideas, and ways of life. After World War II, the world was divided into two main blocs: the Western Bloc, led by the United States, and the Eastern Bloc, led by the Soviet Union. This division was known as the Cold War, and it was marked by a constant rivalry between the two superpowers. Berlin, being located in East Germany, was a key city in the Eastern Bloc, and the Soviet Union wanted to keep it under its control. To counter this, the United States and other Western countries supported West Berlin, turning it into a symbol of democracy and freedom. For 28 years, the Berlin Wall stood as a powerful symbol of separation, dividing families and friends who found themselves on opposite sides. Imagine not being able to visit your grandparents, play with your friends, or even walk across the city without risking your life. This was the harsh reality for many people living in Berlin. The wall was more than just a physical barrier. It was a constant reminder of the emotional toll of separation. Families were torn apart, and people were forced to live in fear of being caught trying to cross the border. The wall also had a big effect on daily life in Berlin, with strict controls on movement and goods. Many people risked their lives to cross the border, and some even lost their lives in the attempt. The wall was guarded by soldiers and police, and there were watchtowers, raked gravel, and even ravenous dogs to prevent escapes. Despite the dangers, people continued to find ways to cross the border, and stories of successful escapes were a beacon of hope for those living in East Berlin. The struggle to overcome the wall was not just about physical freedom. It was also about the freedom to express oneself, to share ideas, and to live without fear of persecution. As the years went by, the desire for freedom and unity only grew stronger, and the people of Berlin began to demand change. The Soviet Union tried desperately to keep its people from fleeing to the West. So in 1961, the East German government built the wall to cut off the Western Bloc. As the years went by, the Cold War began to thaw, and the Soviet Union's grip on Eastern Europe began to loosen. In the late 1980s, a wave of protests and demonstrations swept across Eastern Europe, demanding greater freedom and autonomy. In East Germany, the people began to call for the wall to be torn down, and the government, realizing it could no longer control the situation, began to give in. On November 9, 1989, the impossible happened. The Berlin Wall fell, and with it, the division between East and West Berlin began to dissolve. Thousands of people gathered at the wall, cheering and crying as the border gates were opened. Families were reunited, and friends who had been separated for decades were finally able to hug each other again. The fall of the Berlin Wall marked the beginning of a new era of freedom and unity in Germany, and it sent a powerful message to the world that even the biggest barriers can be overcome. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to leave a comment below about what you learned today. Visit our channel for more entertaining and educational stories for school-aged children.